Keisha the Preacher.
And I'm Shakalaka Ding Dong.
And it is Black Friday.
Black Friday! Are you serious?
Shakalaka Ding Dong, what does that mean?
That means that it's time to shop, shop, shop. Let's go live to Amelia Clemens waiting with the crowd of Target. It's Black Friday! Oh my God!
It's even worse around town. We go now live to Emmett Clemens at Best Buy.
I'm at Best Buy, and shopping here is under control. Ooh, I like this. Let me look over here. I'm taking this! Please don't even get me started at AutoZone. Here at AutoZone, everything is under control. See you later! Baby, come back here! Ah!
But the worst place is at Foot Locker. Let's go live to Nate Andre, who's got the story.
Tell me about it.
Here at Foot Locker, everything is perfectly fine. What?
You're just gonna get away like that? I'm not talking at you. Oh no, baby.
Okay, stop. You know, Shakalaka, I think there's a sale at Macy's.
Here at AutoZone, everything is under control. See you later! Maybe.
You know, Ella, I think there's a sale at Macy's. Oh, dang it. Or stop it. Stop it. And that's a wrap. Okay, come on.